In this video, I'm going to show you how to add up data or add up numbers in Google Sheets. So I'm going to show you a very simple formula. So we have some data here. We have the product, which is some fruits, apples, bananas, oranges. We have the sales figures here for January and for February. And what we want to do, we want to total them all up. So we want to add them all together and put them into this cell here. So the first thing to do is click on that cell. And then at the top here you have this line with FX at the start. Click in that line. So you're now typing in here. To add these figures together, what you need to do on your keyboard, press the equals and then type in, as it's suggesting there, typing sum. Open the bracket and using your mouse, click on and highlight all of the cells that you want to be adding together and then close the bracket. Press return on your keyboard or enter and it's added them all together. You can repeat the same process for this one here to add them all together. Alternatively, there's a quicker way. If I click in this cell, you can see this blue circle down the bottom right. Move a mouse over it and I get a crosshair effect as my mouse cursor. Click on it and then drag to the right and then let go and it's done the sum for me. So it's added together 20, 17, 32, 4 and 18 to equal 91. Let me show you some other things though. Let's create a new column here. Again, I'll call it total. But this time we want to add together all of the sales of apples. So 10 plus 20, which we know is going to be 30, 12 and 17, 15 and 32, and so on. The way to do it is the same way. Click in the cell, and then where you've got this FX line here, click in there, and then press equals on your keyboard. Now, Google is being very clever here. It's asking if I want to be using this one here, which I do, which is equals sum, B4, which is this one, and C4, which is this one here. If I press tab, as it's telling me to do here, and the tab is the key on my keyboard, it's already put it in there for me. I press return, and it's answered it for me. So it's added together 10 plus 20, which means I've sold a total of 30 apples. Google again is trying to be very useful. It's asking if I'd like to autofill. To do so, I can either press Ctrl and Enter at the same time on my keyboard, or I can just tick this box. Tick that, and it's added together all of these for me. And I know it's correct because 4 plus 18 is 22. That is how you do this simple sum or equation on Google Sheets. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.